Hello, I'm Chef Jason, and welcome to the Great Australian Bite, where we share all things culinary, including history, stories, and recipes. So please don't forget to subscribe and join in on the adventure. Okay, welcome to day 4 of our sourdough starter. This is not going to be a long video today. We've already showed you how to do the feeding and everything, so we're not going to show that today, but just want to show you a little something here that sometimes can happen to your starter. Just going to open the jars right here. Inside, as you see, we've got this liquid. See that there? And I'll show you in the other one as well. Now, people doing this for the first time might get alarmed at that. It could be brownish or greyish sort of colour. This is affectionately called hooch. It is a fermentation that is going on. There is no need to be alarmed for this. This is perfectly safe. There's nothing wrong with that. And if anything, you can actually stir it into your starter and to get more of a sour flavour. The smell at the moment is absolutely intoxicating. Excuse the pun, but it is absolutely wonderful. So, as I said, we weren't going to get a hell of a lot of movement today. That's going along well. So I'm going to stir this hooch into my sourdough and give it another feed. And we'll check it out again tomorrow for day 5. Thank you. We'll see you then. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and feel free to leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to check out our other content as well. This is Chef Jason, and don't forget, love is the secret ingredient.